Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox something new and uh, and it is Vivo V29 Pro. I brought a new mobile. So this is the one. So let's open. I already opened it before. So I'm showing you one more time what I got in the box. The first thing I got is the mobile and I got a cover. So I'll show you the mobile afterwards. So let's see what else I got. I got manual paperwork and I got 80-watt fast charger. I got this lovely looking sim ejector tool and I got the data cable. Okay guys, so this is what I got in the box. So let's see the mobile now. So the mobile has AMOLED screen and as you can see this is I've set always on display here. So it's showing a clock and since it has a on display fingerprint reader. So it is really very fast guys. I don't have any complaints in performance. It is said that it has scored more than 9 lakh in Antutu score based on other YouTubers. So basically I brought this for camera purpose to shoot good videos for you guys. So it has a ring light here which is called aura light and it has got 50 megapixel primary lens and 12 megapixel portrait lens and 8 megapixel wide widescreen lens and has a flash here. Okay, so here we got volume up and down and power on button, and to the left we don't have anything, and the sim ejector uh, sim sim is to be put here in at the bottom. So this is the first time I'm seeing the sim is inserted here. So it has a USB to type C port. Okay, and it has a single speaker here. The sad thing is it has a mono speaker and but it still sounds good. I don't have problem with that, but it is a single speaker and it is a mono speaker. uh, that's the issue with this uh, because guys you are paying 43,000, more than 40,000. Everyone are giving stereo speakers and I don't know why Vivo decided to give mono speaker for such a costly mobile. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. The camera is amazing, the performance is amazing. So the front screen, it comes with a Scott Sensation glass. I haven't heard about that, but guys, for safety purpose, I have put a screen guard also for that, and back also it has glass. See, mine is blue color It has its name is Himalayan Blue. So the back one is also glass. So it is not it does not have any protection like Gorilla Glass or anything. So it is very delicate. You should put a cover for this compulsorily. So yeah, this is my new Vivo V29 Pro, guys. This was just to show you a quick demo of what Vivo V29 Pro is and my opinion about it. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Thank you.